Before we jump into the nitty-gritty details, let's take a quick look at what's inside the box. The ANCEL BD310 arrives in a well-packaged box, and as we open it up, we find the scanner itself, a user manual, a USB cable for updates, and a handy carry case to keep everything organized. Now, let's talk about the standout features of the ANCEL BD310. This scanner is not just your average OBD2 tool. It's packed with functionalities that make diagnosing vehicle issues a breeze. Here are some highlights. Wide vehicle coverage. The BD310 supports a wide range of OBD2-compliant vehicles, including cars, SUVs, light trucks, and more. 2. Full OBD2 functions, from reading and clearing trouble codes to providing real-time data on engine parameters like RPM, temperature, and more. This scanner covers all the essential OBD2 functions. Advanced Diagnostics. The BD310 goes beyond basic diagnostics with features like O2 sensor testing, evap system testing, and I/M readiness for emissions testing. 4. User-friendly interface. With its intuitive interface and a colorful LCD screen, navigating through the menu and retrieving information is incredibly straightforward. Live data display. The real-time data display allows you to monitor various sensor readings while the vehicle is running, which can be incredibly helpful for diagnosing intermittent issues. 6. Update capability. Regular updates ensure that your scanner stays up to date with the latest vehicle models and diagnostic improvements. The included USB cable makes updating a breeze. DTC Lookup Library. The built-in DTC Diagnostic Trouble Code Library provides explanations for trouble codes, aiding you in understanding the issues your vehicle might be facing. Let's take the ANCEL BD310 for a spin and see it in action. We'll connect it to a vehicle and walk you through the process of diagnosing a simple issue, so you can get a feel for how powerful and user-friendly this scanner truly is. The ANCEL BD310 OBD2 Scanner proves itself to be a valuable tool for both DIY mechanics and everyday car owners. Its comprehensive features, user-friendly interface, and wide vehicle coverage make it a must-have for anyone who wants to take control of their vehicle's health. Here are the pros and cons of the ANCEL BD310 OBD2 Scanner. Pros: affordable, easy to use, wide compatibility with most vehicles, can read and erase diagnostic trouble codes DTCs, free app available for Android and iOS. Cons: does not have all the features. The app can be a bit slow to load at times. The cable is permanently attached to the scanner. Overall, the ANCEL BD310 OBD2 Scanner is a good option for a basic scanner that can help you diagnose and troubleshoot problems with your car. It is affordable, easy to use, and compatible with most vehicles. However, if you need a scanner with more features, you may want to consider a more option.